Hey there, YouTube. This is Caleb here. This is just a video. We here in Indiana. They said it was a blizzard that came through. We got about 9-10 inches of snow. It was hard to tell with all the wind. It's really blowing, but up here on the deck, you can see how much it took, like an effect on the snow drift. See, that's a good 6 inches right there. Came here overnight. I woke up next morning. Went to sleep with nothing. All I heard was thunder because it was rain at first. And I woke up to all this, everything covered in snow. I also want to thank you guys for the 2,000 views on my airsoft pistol video. I'm going to be doing an update on that. Hope you guys enjoy that. Yeah, this has been the video of the Blizzard 2012 in Indiana. So, see you guys later. Peace.